Have you ever seen a rabbit hop down a hole? It's like a magical journey into the unknown, full of excitement and wonder.
What if that hole led to a train ride under a city? Imagine stepping into a world beneath the bustling streets, where trains whisk you away to new adventures. That's what the New York subway is like, a hidden network of tracks and tunnels that crisscross the city, connecting neighborhoods and people. It's a secret world of trains that zoom beneath the busy streets. Each train is like a rabbit darting through its burrow, swift and purposeful.
Imagine this. You hop on a train, the doors close with a whoosh and you're off. It rumbles and zooms through tunnels. The sound of the tracks is like a heartbeat, steady and rhythmic. Above you, cars honk and people walk. The city is alive with energy, but down here it's a different world. But you're on an adventure. Every stop is a new possibility, a new story waiting to unfold.
The New York subway is like a giant maze. With its twists and turns, it can seem daunting at first. But don't worry, it's easy to navigate. Just follow the signs and you'll find your way. Colorful signs and maps help you find your way. Each line is a different color, making it simple to follow your route. Are you ready for a journey underground? Let's go. Step into the world beneath the city and discover the magic of the New York subway. It's more than just a ride. It's an adventure waiting to happen.
Subway trains in New York are extra long and painted in bright, eye-catching colors. These vibrant trains add a splash of color to the bustling city. They run on sturdy metal tracks, just like the toy trains you might have at home. But these tracks are much bigger and stronger, designed to carry thousands of passengers every day. Instead of chugging along on top of the ground like old-fashioned trains, these modern marvels whoosh through tunnels deep below the city streets. It's like a secret underground world.
How do they go? What makes these trains move so smoothly and quickly through the tunnels?
Electricity gives them power. It's like magic. This invisible force propels the trains forward, making them glide effortlessly along the tracks. The trains get a jolt of energy from a special rail called the third rail. This rail runs alongside the tracks and supplies the electricity needed to keep the trains moving. Then, zoom, off they go. These trains can travel at impressive speeds, whisking passengers to their destinations in no time. You won't see any smoke or steam from these trains. Unlike old steam engines, modern subway trains are clean and efficient. They are good for the environment. By using electricity instead of fossil fuels, these trains help reduce pollution and keep the air clean. Plus, they are very fast. Next stop, adventure. Whether you're commuting to work or exploring the city, the New York subway is your ticket to a speedy and exciting journey.
Subway stations are like bustling underground cities, filled with a constant flow of people and energy. It's a place where the city's heartbeat is most palpable. People rush to catch their trains, each person with their own destination and story. The hustle and bustle create a unique rhythm that defines the station. Colorful signs point to different directions, guiding commuters through the maze of platforms and exits. These signs are like a vibrant map, helping everyone find their way. You might even see musicians playing music, adding a touch of melody to the otherwise mechanical sounds of the trains. Their tunes bring a sense of joy and culture to the daily commute.
Look around. There's so much to see and experience. From the architecture to the people, every corner of the station tells a story. You will find maps on the walls, detailed and colorful, showing the intricate network of subway lines that crisscross the city. These maps show you all the different subway lines like colorful spaghetti strands. Each line has its own color and route, making it easier to navigate the vast system. Don't be afraid to ask for help if you are lost. The station can be overwhelming, but there are always people around willing to assist. There are always friendly station workers who can point you in the right direction. They are knowledgeable and ready to help you get to your destination safely.
When you hear the announcement, stand clear of the closing doors, please. It's a signal that the train is about to depart. Make sure you're on board or safely away from the doors. Get ready. Your train is about to leave the station. Whether you're heading to work, meeting friends, or exploring the city, the subway is your gateway to adventure.
Section 4, Fun Subway Facts. Did you know that the New York subway is super old? It started running way back in 1904. That's even before your grandparents were born. Millions of people ride the subway every day. That's like everyone in your town, plus their friends and families. Sometimes you might even spot a lost toy on the subway. Trixie once lost her beloved Knuffle Bunny on a train. But don't worry, he found his way back.
The New York subway is more than just a way to get around. It's a symbol of the city.
It connects people from all walks of life. It takes us on exciting journeys under the ground.
So next time you're in New York City, hop on the subway. Let your imagination run wild as you zoom through tunnels. Who knows what adventures await you at the next stop?